finally washing Caleb's truck this morning. We sold it the other day, so the guy's coming in town to pick it up. So this actually be the last wash on the GMC Denali Duramax, and it'll be the first wash on old Guacamole over here. It's kind of funny that he's getting rid of that truck, and we just picked this one up, and we're gonna give it its first wash, probably the first one in 4 years. After you guys watched the last video, I got it off of a farm, so it's really kind of not a barn find, but kind of a farm find. And we're gonna clean it up and see how really bad the paint is, so stay tuned. Alright, just checking back in. We just got back from lunch, pulled the truck into the shop, just kind of see how we did. The windshield still needs a really good wipe down. There's just bug guts and everything on it that we still need to wipe down. We're about to get into the interior. We did kind of hit the door jambs with the pressure washer while we had it out, but it still needs to be wiped down. You can kind of see all the dirt, and there's like spider webs on the driver's side over there. Still needs a really good vacuum, still needs a really good wipe down on all the plastics. You can kind of see it's just dusty on the speedometer and on the steering wheel column. Good vacuum back here. Don't worry about the subs yet. We actually are test fitting those. We actually just put them in right before we wash the truck. They're not wired up or anything yet. We're just kind of seeing how it fits, and we might get some wires and try to run that and see how they sound. It's an older set of subs that a buddy of mine had, and so we're gonna kind of hook them up, see if they still work. It's we got the faceplate for this side. I just gotta throw it on, but the faceplate's on that side. But yeah, don't worry about the subs yet. That might be in a different video of us wiring it together, but we just kind of want to test fit them because I do have a baby, as you can see, her carrier, so I need to make sure that the seat went down with the subs, and still, obviously she's top priority, so I want to make sure that the seat carrier still worked with these subs. But it seems like it's a pretty snug fit, but the seat is actually laid all the way down. So yeah, they should work. We're just gonna probably wire them up in a different video when we have time. I do have the steamer out on this driver's side because I'm going to try, I got it warming up right now. I want to try to go ahead and take off this back window today and re-tint it. As you can see, there's a little bit of damage right there. There's some scratches and stuff, and it has like 3M all the way across it. I don't know if it'll zoom in or not. But yeah, we're gonna try to, if we have time, take this back window off and replace it. All right, what else do we have on this side? As you can see, leaves, need to vacuum that out. Other side of the sub, still need to try to find some glue or staples and get that felt put back on there. Door jambs, still need to be wiped down. Oh yeah, spider web, so we got to obviously clean that up. More of the dirty steering wheel column I was telling you guys about, and we're probably going to try to clean the dash, but obviously if you guys know anything about second gens, we got to go super careful on that, because just like hitting a speed bump on these second gens, it'll crack. And this one has a couple cracks in it, but it's still in pretty good shape, so we want to keep it that way. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and try to knock it out, and we'll catch back up with you guys. All right, I didn't plan on taking the seats out, but when I was getting ready to vacuum, I kind of peeked underneath, and yeah, it's pretty bad. So I think we're gonna go ahead and vacuum all this up.
Probably sweep first and then vacuum.
Probably sweep first, then vacuum, and then
or grab it out with hands.
I guess maybe do a little shampoo on it because it looks like there's a lot of stains. So
Come out.
let's go ahead and get at it. I just got done with the first stage of vacuuming, getting all the french fries and trash out of it. Definitely a lot of stains. So I think Storm's getting the brush ready right now. And we are going to go to town on this carpet and try to drag out some of these stains, and this carpet's probably been here for years. And show you guys the progress. Looks a little better. I actually found a needle nose underneath the seat. There's a bunch of junk back in there, and I just keep pulling stuff out. There's still a bunch of stuff back here I've got to grab. Ooh, hold up, what is this? There's something else. Oh, hot hands. Nice. I guess he kind of shoved some stuff back there. They fell behind the seat and just kind of forgot about them. There's like a ton of stuff back in there though. But yeah, got some needle nose and some hot hands. Nice. And that's for the rear, the spare tire. But yeah, we got the the carpet vacuumed, and then also steam cleaned. And then we also took the extractor to it. So it's looking a little bit better. Next, I think I'm gonna go ahead and tackle these door jams, and then I think we're gonna go ahead and wipe down the dash. I might go ahead and take the carpet off of it and go ahead and extract it too while we got it out. Well, made another little cool find. I was cleaning this four-wheel drive stick off and noticed the boot was kind of low, so I was like, that's kind of weird. Let me go ahead and pull that back up where it's supposed to be. And look at all the chains and bullets that are all in here. That's pretty disgusting. So, yeah, we need to clean all this out.
All right, now that everything's sanitized and steam cleaned and the heated extractor has done its work on that carpet, we're going to do our ozone machine while we are extracting the seats. We never use it for more than 60 minutes total and never longer than 30 minutes at a time, depending on condition. It may need 2 treatments at 30 minutes, but we always don't go longer than 30 minutes and never more than 60 minutes total in a vehicle. Since this one's not that bad, probably 20. We'll just set it to 25 minutes. It'll start spewing its ozone. We'll place it in the center of the vehicle, and then we'll shut this door on it, and then we'll shut the other door.
We got the windows rolled up, so it'll kind of do its thing in there.
Shut now. And it'll have a strong smell once we open it, but it kind of like separates the oxygen atoms or something. It's like deatomizes dirty smells, something to that extent. But it'll go through the AC system, and it'll kind of clean everything out. And that way, when we put all the new seats in the carpet, he won't have any of those funky farm smells that was in there before. Actually, it's in really good shape. Even when we first started, technically, it's in great shape already.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
But it'll still smell a lot better.
All right, we're gonna try to make it as new as possible. So what are you doing?
I'm just checking it out, man.
Trying to steal my light bar. But now we're gonna go ahead and try to knock out these seats while the ozone is doing its work for about 20-25 minutes on the truck. I don't know if you guys can see the smoke coming out of here right now, but we just got rid of the ozone. It was in here for about, what did you say, Caleb, 20-25 minutes?
Yeah.
So we just got done doing the seat over there. Storm's gonna help us throw it back in here. But man, what a difference. It is insane. So this is definitely one step closer to having a truck where I want it to be, but detailing it definitely needed it. Didn't get a chance to do the back window today like I planned on, but that'll probably be in the next video. Probably knock out all the windows and clean those guys up.
Hey, it's learning every day.
All right, YouTube, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. I'll kind of show you guys what we got done. We got the windows on the outside cleaned, not the inside yet. We're gonna do a different day on that when I actually tint the windows, which I'll make a video on too. We're gonna go ahead and do the tint on the windshield and the strip. Go a little bit darker on the cab, which I plan on doing today, but after I saw how much the truck needed vacuumed, as you guys saw, we went ahead and took the seat out, went ahead and vacuumed everything. One thing we did forget to do was extract the back seat. So we definitely have to redo that one day. But that shouldn't be hard. We actually leave that one in place and extract it. But everything's looking good. A whole lot better than what it was. So this is kind of phase one of the detail on the second gen. Go ahead and kind of place that back. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video out here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do plan on kind of making a video here and there on this truck, so definitely stay tuned if you guys do like these videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.